Grooved for comfort. Grooved for grip consistency. Knob wrap for palm stress relief. Internally grooved for install ease. For players with large hands. Top reviews from the United States. Helped me hit a home run right out of the gate. I purchased because I am a large male who usually wears XL batting gloves, so I thought this would better. I don't know how much bigger this is than a regular grip and rip, but it is large. Took a few minutes to install. Put bat in cold water, grip and rip in cold water, then worked the thing in with a lot of manual force. Luckily I am strong, but it did take quite a bit of effort. Took a minute to get accustomed to. But used it in a game, and I have to say, the added leverage with the bottom half worked great. I got a home run in my second at bat, my first was a walk. I can see me driving a lot more home runs this season because of the added leverage. Maybe next time I'll get a regular version for my other bats. But this thing does what it says it does, fills up the space at the bottom of the bat and adds leverage. And added leverage plus a good wrist snap equals more power. This is a good purchase for me.